5 techniques for improving listening skills. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this video, where we'll discuss about an important but sometimes forgotten quality in our working lives: listening. I'm your name, and today we'll look at 5 ways for improving your listening abilities. But before we get into the tactics, let's talk about why listening is important and how motivation helps you acquire this ability. Why is motivation important for developing listening skills? Listening is more than simply hearing words. It is about comprehending the meaning behind those words. Good listening abilities may lead to stronger relationships, more effective collaboration, and more productivity. However, improving these talents need motivation. Without motivation, it's easy to get sidetracked, overlook important information, and ultimately fail to communicate effectively. Principles and theories of motivation. To understand how to remain motivated to enhance our listening abilities, we'll look at various motivational ideas and theories. Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Maslow's hierarchy is a well-known psychological theory that identifies 5 stages of human requirements, ranging from fundamental physiological necessities to self-actualization. According to Maslow, motivation stems from meeting these requirements in sequence. To listen well, you must be in a comfortable setting, physiological requirements, feel protected, safety needs, and be driven by social interactions. Self-determination theory. This idea proposes that individuals are most driven when they feel independent, competent, and linked to others. In the context of listening, this implies that you'll be more motivated to listen when you feel in control of your actions, trust in your capacity to comprehend and react correctly, and feel a connection with the speaker. Now that we've covered the theory, let's look at some real-world instances of how motivation might help you strengthen your listening abilities. Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs was noted for his extraordinary listening abilities. He recognized that listening was essential for invention and collaboration. By fostering an atmosphere in which workers felt respected and heard, he encouraged them to freely express their ideas. Jobs' ability to listen effectively helped him lead his staff and led to Apple's success. Oprah Winfrey. Her outstanding listening abilities have contributed to Oprah Winfrey's success. She actively listens and empathizes with her visitors, making them feel understood and respected. Her capacity to listen has made her a popular personality and an effective interviewer. Oprah's desire to connect closely with others fuels her listening abilities. Practical advice for improving listening skills. Let's look at some practical tips and approaches for improving your listening abilities. 1. Active listening. Active listening entails completely attention, comprehending, reacting, and remembering what is being said. Here are some suggestions for active listening. Maintain eye contact with the speaker to demonstrate that you are paying attention. Nod and use facial gestures to demonstrate comprehension and interest. Avoid interrupting the speaker. Wait for them to complete before you answer. To ensure you understand what the speaker said, paraphrase or summarize it. 2. Empathetic listening. Empathetic listening entails comprehending the speaker's emotions and opinions. This may be very effective for dispute resolution and trust building. To develop empathic listening, put yourself in the speaker's shoes and attempt to comprehend their feelings. Acknowledge their sentiments using phrases such, "I see you're angry." Open-ended inquiries will urge the speaker to disclose more. 3. Reflective listening. Reflective listening entails reflecting the speaker's message back to indicate that you understand. This might assist to clarify misconceptions and demonstrate that you respect the speaker's perspective. To engage in thoughtful listening, repeat or restate what the speaker stated. Use sentences like, "What I'm hearing is," or "It seems you're saying." 4. Critical listening. Critical listening entails assessing the substance of the communication and deciding its veracity. This is especially crucial in professional situations because judgments must be made based on the information presented. To improve critical listening, evaluate the speaker's arguments and proof. Pose questions to clarify ideas and obtain further information. Assess the speaker's credibility and message. 5. Mindful listening. Mindful listening is about being totally present in the moment and paying undivided attention to the speaker. This might be difficult in our fast-paced society, but it is necessary for good communication. To engage in careful listening. Turn off your phone and locate a quiet place to avoid distractions. Concentrate on the speaker's words and resist letting your thoughts stray. To maintain focus, use mindfulness practices such as deep breathing. Coping with stress and discouragement. Improving your listening abilities may be difficult, and it is understandable to feel overwhelmed or disheartened at times. Here are some suggestions to keep you motivated. Manage stress. Take pauses as required to prevent burnout. Use relaxation methods such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Regular exercise helps to relieve stress and promote general well-being. Maintain a positive attitude. Remember to hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe our quality videos.